Hi, in front of me is LG K50S, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Start by opening any apps like Gallery, Phone and Play Store. Then click on the square button and tap on the icon of an app. Select pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one, and third one. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, you can click at this X icon at the top right corner of each of them, or open background apps and close them over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!